What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up at Shay Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, I am here with
The real Haley.
The real Haley. Of course, all her stuff is going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen if you want to work with her. Now, this video is going to be a very, really quick video. Actually, guys, like again, I'm in the same outfit because this is just one of my days where I just had a lot of shoots planned. So I'm just in the same outfit, but I am in a different location. I'm kind of under the underpass of the highway. That's why you hear all this ruckus going on. But other behind me or what the case may be, but we're just going to really just get a couple of shots and I'm really going to focus on video portrait wise. So this is going to be a quick, just snap, snap, pop, pop, just show how I work with some usual stuff. So Haley, are you ready to get into this or are you just not really? I mean, my bad. The real Haley. Are you ready to get into this or you're not ready?
I'm ready.
All right, she's ready to get it ready. So let's go right into it. Start now. Test shot. I got to test the, got to test the power of this. My camera's looking good to go. All right, everything's looking good to go. Here we go, 1, 2, and 3. Still a little bit too hot. Look at you right here, 1, 2, and 3. What? All right, here we go, 1, 2, and 3.
That's so cute.
Look at that. Bring your purse up just a tad bit. Yeah, about right there. Thank you. Because I'm not going to get a full body just yet. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Tilt your head back just, yeah, there we go. 1, 2, and 3. Come on now, quit playing with me. 2 shots. You give me your angles, okay, and I'm going to micro adjust them. Okay, does it make sense? Because I don't want to take you out your comfort zone. So you do your angles. And then, yeah, I'm going to tell you. Yeah, there's no doubt, man. I'm going to tell you.
Okay.
But I want you to do your things, and I'm going to micro. Yeah, exactly what I'm going to do. All right. Yeah, there you go. I like that. That's a lot better. Yeah. Thank you. Like that. Okay. Right here. Come over here. Let me see now. Shit. Fucking sunlight. All right, let me see if I can cancel that out real quick. Yeah, because the leaves and it's just, so you got all these spots. Let's see if I can cancel it out. I'm gonna take a test shot real quick. Okay, I guess, yeah, it could work. Stay there. I'm gonna raise this up so that can cover your face.
Oh,
Bingo.
You covered the light out.
Yep.
That was smart.
1, 2, 3. Hold that again. Coming in closer. Yeah, I like that look. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like that look. Do it again. Yeah. Open up. I'm gonna need that left arm open up a little bit so I can cover your curves. Let me see it again. Come on now. Come on now. What? Come on now. What? No super glue lips. Thank you. Shit. This question, I like what's going on back here. I don't think I'm gonna like what's going on back here. It's my situation. Let me do this then. We're gonna do the same pose. I just gotta get you out. My son ain't wanna play around with me right now today. Yeah, so let's turn you the opposite way. Bam, y'all in shadow. Then I can just take this light here. Turn you here, like so. And we're gonna have hair going all in my grill now. All right. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Relax the mouth. There you go. All right, now come back to me. Yeah. Yeah. That wind is working for us. All right, turn towards me. Just go ahead and give me your 5 best. I'm in the mirror posing myself. You ready? 5. 5 of the best that you have for me, sir. 1, okay, I like that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look at you. You made it. You changed it on your before I even said anything. You changed it before I even said anything. I'm rubbing off on her, guys. Rubbing off on her. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that the real Haley and I just put in for you. Now, Haley, how'd you enjoy that little?
I enjoyed it a lot. He taught me a lot about posing and doing things, looking more relaxed with my face.
Oh, okay. What stands out?
Credit.
Oh, I got credit. She's the first one that gave me credit out here on these streets. I really appreciate that. Of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. Like I said again, guys, this is a very, very quick video. Just wanted to show out, just do some quick photos. Like I said, we're about to go ahead and do some video work so I can make a video portrait of her. So this is just what this video, this is like a quick little just to show whatever the case may be. But I'm glad she actually enjoyed doing the photos. Hope you enjoyed the photos so far. Like I said, of course, if you like my work, please consider yourself subscribing to my channel because I always just give you some good content. And to the next video, Haley?
Yes.
Oh, my fault. To the next video, the real Haley?
Yes.
All right, to the next video, peace! All right, let's scoot over. You're trying to hog my limelight. I can't be having you hog up all my limelight. Code, man. The real Haley, stop trying to steal my shine. Oh, dust.
I know, that's what I said. That's why I was like, oh no. I didn't get in my eyes.
You're not going to get in my eyes, Dust. I will not allow it. You're not getting in my eyes. My eyes are for me.